Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. Happy Maximize This Monday. Wow, what a couple weeks I've had, huh? Up and down and up and down. Hopefully, I'm back on the right track. August 1st, here we come. Yeah, with 74 days of inventory. Do you believe it? Oh my gosh, how can it just happen overnight? But it did. It did. And I hope you're all ready to hit this market running. We listed 300 homes, of which 231 were single family. And of those, let's see, those 89 that were just listed were now 470 and under, because guess what? The median price went down. The median price went down. And let me turn my thing off. Drive me crazy. Okay, short drive. Anyway, yeah, so we have 36% of the market that's 470 and under. I noticed a lot of price reductions, and I'm sure you did too. Amazing, amazing. Let me do a quick sound check here just to make sure my internet has been, the air conditioning, the internet, yeah, lots of things. Yeah, it sounds like it's okay. That's a good thing. I don't see Jimmy yet this morning. We have a class today. We have an agency class, and it's really a good one. It's about, it's ethics. It's ethics today. And it's, did you cross the line with your negotiations? So it's really a really good class, and Jimmy always makes it relevant to today, what's going on today. If you haven't signed up, go to be.vegas. It's not too late. You can sign up almost till 10 o'clock so you can get the link if you're Zooming, or walk in if you're just going to come into the classroom. We've got plenty of seats. Looks like most people have been Zooming lately. I guess because it's summertime, because of the weather, whatever. But we did have a full house for the crypto class, so that was really fun. But anyway, on we go here. Yeah, the median price at 470. And you know what else? Here's the sad news, everybody. We only sold 88 homes a day in July. That means a lot of people didn't get commission checks. The $1 million homes kept popping off at 5 a day, though. But for the median price and the regular sales, 88 per day. And 5 of those were because that includes all the sales. 5 of those were the $1 million. And we did have typically our investors, they were bumping in there about 30 a day. So those are still your sales. I get it. Those are still your sales. But wow, what a shift in the market. What a shift in the market. So today, I want to talk, I just want to say something about, recession. Recession is a fact. And we have to, of course, live with it, right? We have to live with this recession. But what meaning do you give to it? I think that's, what I've been kind of thinking about this weekend. And it's the meaning you give to it. And then once you give it a meaning, it's the decisions you make and the commitment to action that you are going to take. Now, you have to focus, of course. You have to focus. And you can't focus on fear. No, you cannot. No, it's not. It's not even you just can't do it. It's not an option, is what I was going to say. And how do you feel? How do you feel? What's your state? Are you happy? Are you feeling successful? Are you feeling like you can handle what's going to happen in the next 6 months, next 5, 6, 7 months, maybe 9 months? We don't know. But you need to figure out what you can do. What can you do? What can you focus on? What meaning are you going to give the word recession? And is that meaning that you give it going to cause you to focus on something, not fear, and feel what you can do? And you might need to make some new choices. It's okay. It's okay. The meaning of the recession. Make it be an opportunity. There's going to be less people probably. We're just showing you less. There's less numbers. And maybe there's going to be some people that might just drop out of real estate because they're not making their numbers, or it's not working for them. 88 sales is not a lot. Last year we were doing, let's see, what does it say last year? 143. My goodness. Wow. That's a big, big difference. Not quite double, not quite half, but that's a lot of people not getting paid, everybody. A lot of people are not getting paid. So this recession could get rid of a lot of real estate agents that can't make it, can't pay their dues, can't do the things that it becomes not, just not attainable anymore because perhaps they were paying for leads. Yeah, a lot of those agents that are going to go by the wayside, they were paying for leads. They weren't building a database. They didn't have a plan to farm. They didn't have a plan to build relationships, which those, are qualified opportunities. Leads, I don't know. Who wants to pay $100 for a Zillow lead? I think we figured out it's 2 cents. It's about 2 cents when you qualify your own leads. And why wouldn't you do that? There was a fellow named Ricky Carruth, very, very successful agent. And in 2008, he got into the business and he decided his decision was to follow like the Tom Ferry people and follow the Brian Buffini people and go out and farm. And he started making 20 calls a day. And then he started making 40 calls a day. And he figured, hey, if I get a lead, guess what I have to do? I have to make a phone call. Right? If I get a referral, guess what I have to do? I have to make a phone call. So you have to make that phone call. You have to make that connection. So maybe part of your focus the next 6, 8, 9 months is going to be on getting a farm and start finding the phone numbers. You can find the phone numbers. Geez, let me think. There's so many places. Bigfoot.com, White Pages, RedX. I mean, there's so many places that you can look for phone numbers. And then if you have a farm, you can always put a mailer out, right? We used to put a little return card in there and say, you want to be in our raffle, just send us your email and your phone number and we'll put you in the raffle. And you don't have to buy the ticket, but we want to give you something for giving us something, which is your phone number and email so that we can talk to you about the market. Not sell you a house or sell your house, but talk to you about the market, give you the market updates. And that's the other thing. When you do make these phone calls, it should be about the market and about what's going on. You're the expert. They wonder, when you Google what are people wanting, they're wanting to know about the market, and especially now, right? With 6% interest rates. What does that mean? Should I sell my house maybe because prices are going to go down? Well, we've already seen the median price has gone down. So you already have some information to give them. You already see there's less sales, right? So you already see that means there's less competition. So there's lots of things that you can glean from what has occurred with the market shift.